Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, before I proceed with the video, I would like to mention that I will not be available on Monday and Tuesday. I'll be out of station, so I'll be back again on Wednesday. So let's get back to the topic. So US economic strength and bank turmoil boost the dollar. You can see on the screen that strength in the dollar Friday sparked long liquidation pressure in the euro. Also concerned about the health of Europe's banking system weighed on the euro as banks with high exposure to corporate lending sold off. We got to see huge correction on the chart of Euro USD. And we can still see that the overall trend may be towards the upside, but if we observe the present trend of euro dollar, then yes, there is weakness on the chart. So at first, let's discuss about DXY. So DXY, my God, after making a low of 101.93, DXY showed good recovery. DXY closed at 103.11. So overall, the sentiment on DXY has reversed, and right now, US dollar seems to be recovering and on recovery mode right now. So after the market opening, there is a high chance that DXY will be trying its best to head towards 103.50, which is also the next resistance because of the dynamic resistance in the form of 50 moving average. So DXY's first resistance is this. If DXY wants to continue the uptrend, continue the recovery, then it needs to break 103.50 level. Okay, and in this market situation, when we do not have any big news right now coming up, so there's a high chance that the support level, support level of 101.90 will remain the support, because usually in this type of market situation, when the market sentiment is bearish, we get to see that this type of supports do not work. But the sentiment has reversed, market has absorbed the news, so 101.90 will be the next support for DXY. So now let's look at the chart of Euro USD. As you can see on the screen that I'm in the 1 hour chart, the hourly chart. Usually I prefer to analyze the market on the 4 hours time frame, but when I was looking at the 4 hours time frame, I was not getting a clear picture, so I switched to the hourly time frame. So Euro USD closed at 1.0759. This is the last traded price of Euro USD. As you can see on the screen that my chart looks messy, so let me explain one by one. I also prefer to keep a clean chart, but this chart has become a little bit messy, so I'll be explaining one by one so that you don't get confused. Before we proceed further, I would like to mention about Chart Prime, who have sponsored the today's video. Those who want to generate their own buy and sell signals, please watch the video carefully, because Chart Prime is one of the best custom indicator service in the trading world right now. With the tools available in Chart Prime, you can not only generate buy and sell signals, you can also use these tools in your analysis for additional confirmation. They also have a trading community on Discord where they post regular trading ideas. Trust me guys, I have been using Chart Prime for a couple of months and their service is really awesome. If you really want to know how these indicators work, you can just go to their website chartprime.com and just go to the tutorial section. You will see the functioning of these indicators. Okay, my dear friends, as we are traders, we believe in probability. So I won't say that these indicators are 100% accurate, but with proper risk management, you can definitely make some money. Let me show you. This is the 50-minute chart of gold. You can see the signals generated by Chart Prime. Okay, see possible reversal down. See, it means that we need to take a sell position here. Possible reversal up means we need to go for a buy position. Possible reversal down means we need to go for a sell position. If not trend reversal, at least you can expect 40-50 pips on daily basis with the help of the software. But yes, the tool also generates false signals sometimes, because 100% accuracy is not possible, as we all know. But yes, The accuracy is certainly very, very good. Along with the buy and sell signals, you can also see that they have an oscillator where they also provide the overbought, oversold, divergences, and many other things. Just watch the tutorial, you will know all the things. You can just go with the 1 month subscription and just try out the product yourself. I'm very much sure that you will love the product. And my dear friends, if you use the link in the description below, you'll also get 30% discount. You may also scan the QR code available on the screen for faster registration. Check them out. First of all, let's discuss about the Fibonacci that we have drawn from the lowest point of the chart to the highest point of the chart, considering the overall uptrend. Because on Friday, when market was falling badly, this was the level that provided support to the market along with the 200 moving average. So on Monday, if we get to see a big sell-off again, 1.0674 will be the next support again on the chart of Euro USD. If not a complete trend reversal, at least you can expect a bounce like this if market comes down to 1.0674, because you can see the market is beautifully respecting these levels here. So why this level? This is the Fibonacci 0.618, 61.8% retracement level. So if market falls sharply, you can go for a buy around 1.0674. If market takes support, there's a high chance that market will try to bounce. And if market is going down, that means obviously market will have to break this level, isn't it? So yes, 1.0714. This is another level below which you can also consider taking a sell position. But usually I prefer to go for a trade at retest level. So this will be a breakdown trade. So I'll say that to be on a safer side, do not go with a big lot size. Okay, do not go with a big lot size. Usually if you go for a 0. Let's say 0.3, 0.6, then your lot size should be around 0.1 or 0.2. Keep it lower because instead of trading at breakout or breakdowns, okay, trading at or taking a position at retest or pullback is much safer. Okay, so we have a good buy opportunity around 1.0674 and a support around 1.074. If market takes support, you can go for a buy. And if market breaks also 1.0714, it can be a little bit risky, but you can consider a sell below 1.0714 as well with proper risk management. So these are the two trading opportunities that I see on the chart of Euro USD if we consider the overall uptrend market. Okay, so let me remove the first Fibonacci and also this line. So job of this line is done. Now let's talk about this particular portion of the chart here. As you can clearly see, when market was going up, okay, when market was recovering, this was the level where market failed to cross. This is none other than previous support acting as resistance, as well as Fibonacci 0.23, so 0.236. It means that this particular diagram is also doing the job nicely, isn't it? So if you already have a sell position, okay, be on the trend, no need to exit from the position right now. And in case after the market opening, Euro USD shows upside, listen to me carefully. After the market opening, if Euro USD shows upside, we have two sell opportunities around 1.0793 and 1.0820. These are the two levels where we have two trading opportunities, means sell positions. Why? Because if market goes up, here the 100 moving average will be acting as resistance, plus we also have the Fibo here, so order execution will be there in bulk. So this is the first resistance for us and this is the second resistance for us. 1.0793 is the first resistance and 1.0820 is the second resistance. So I'm wrapping it up. After the market opening, if Euro USD shows an upside, then we have resistance around 1.0793 and 1.082. If market reverses, you can look for a sell position. And if you're already having a sell position right now, then you can be on the trade, because this is also a more or less reason. The reason behind not considering this as a resistance is that market is extremely volatile due to ongoing situations. So during the weekend, there may be some more news in the market that may bring some other, not other, okay, that may bring some further volatility. So market can be a little bit tricky. So as a result, I'm considering this and this. Okay, so these are the two levels to look for sell if market goes up after the market opening and reverses. Confirmation is extremely important. This is the main difference between a trader and a gambler. Confirmation is important. Okay, secondly, after the market opening, if you see market going down, if let's say dollar is recovering after the opening and euro USD is going down, in that case the best support or the strongest support is around 1.0674 level. I'm talking about this level, but before this also we have a level that is 1.0714. If the selling pressure is very high, market will break 1.0714 and you can also go for a sell below this level. But if the volatility of the market is low, because usually on the first half of Monday, as we all know, that especially during the Asian session and European session, we don't get to see much volatility. In that case, you can expect the market to take support. If you see market is little forming small candles, tiny candles and taking support, you can go for a quick buy position as well. Volatility of the market will obviously play a big role. So these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of Euro USD. If I have missed anything, write down in the comment section. I would love to learn. So this is it. Follow proper risk management. I'm also a trader, so my analysis can be wrong as well. So do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Do your own research and calculate your positions according to the capital and stop loss. Okay. Bye-bye. Take care.